I think all the participants might have the browsers which have opened with the internet connection. So I'll be sharing my screen with some of the, I'll be putting the text box in the chat box, some text where you need to do the search. Okay, then only you'll understand. So let me start with the Google. I'm going to share my screen for the Google. Okay, so I'll be sharing the entire screen. Then I'll take you through the how you can do the search. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. So this is a Microsoft Edge. This is a Microsoft Edge where I am taking you through. This is one of the browser. Okay. So in this Microsoft Edge, just I'm going to put few words because we do have a lot of people from different specialties. We do have a nursing, physiotherapy, dental, and medical fraternity. Apart from those, we do have some other allied like a medical biochemistry, physics, material science people. That's why I'm going to use a common terms. You can also search very common terms. How they will differ, I'll tell you. Okay. Okay. So I am putting here caries. Caries is a favorite word for everybody because dentists like caries. Okay. So I'm going to put a quote. I'm putting a quote. Okay. Then I am giving the search. So almost 266 with a 5 zeros in 0.071 seconds. Okay. So this is a what all you can get in this 266, so many zeros. Probably it may not be of your interest. Okay. So you do have different websites. Okay. You do have government websites is coming, Mayo Clinic ORG is coming, then so many terminology is coming, PubMed is also coming. Okay. So many website grabs have come over here. Okay. This is about the Google. When I want to do the search, same search in the Chrome. So Google Scholar, we are going to talk about the Google Scholar. Okay. Google Scholar. So if I search a Google Scholar, probably you will get a scholar.google.com. Okay. Now the same word, what I have searched for a query is, if I put in a quoted mode, okay. So this has given lesser results, 10,20,000 results only. 10,20,000 results only. That's also 0.05 seconds. Probably whatever you have found in the Google search, they are not here. This is much specific. This is much specific, and this is what you want. So if you want something differently, for example, I told queries, and I'm using a and pedo. Pedo, I'm going to put a asterisk. Why I want to put a asterisk is I don't want to use a truncation. We say it as a truncation. Okay. So you can put an asterisk so that it will take up pedo, pediatrics, everything it takes. And I am removing the quotation. So I have removed the quote. I have put a caries and pedo. Okay. So we do have a results of 10,20,000. Now we have got only 2,290. So this is how we are going to focus and defocus. See, I told you in the beginning of my presentation, we do have an ocean of knowledge. The ocean of knowledge, in the ocean you cannot drink a drop of water because it's salt. Okay, so you need a potable drinking water. Similarly, the ocean, you don't require all the knowledge. You require what you want exactly. Then you need to focus yourself what to search and how to search. Otherwise, if I tell you as a teacher, you search all 2,290 results, then probably it takes a month, which is of no use. Then what I do? See, I'm going to put a quote. I'm quoting once again within the truncation, and I'm searching. So there are 0 results. 0 results. Okay. So when you do the same, taking a truncation, and if I put a caries and pedo, okay, still there are no matching results because it has to take both the words. When you are going to remove the pedo and caries, the quote, then certainly the results will change. Okay, you got here 2,290. So this is much higher results than the previous results. Okay. Now let us see what other results will give. So I'm going to take you through the PubMed. I'm going to take you through all the search engines, okay? Because this is a hands-on workshop. So I request all of you people to open the browser. I have opened in a Microsoft Edge, okay? I have not opened the Chrome. I'll open Chrome also. So I do have a Chrome. I'm opening a Chrome, Google Chrome, okay? Because each search engine has its own algorithm. That algorithm makes you the difference in the results, okay? So this is a Google Chrome, okay? So I'm putting the same word because just to make you to understand. Queries, I'm putting the queries once again, okay? Here you got a 362. There we got only 222, but here we got 3. Now I'm coming back to the Microsoft Edge, okay? In the Microsoft Edge, I want to put a queries. So just I want to show you how the search engine will differ. Okay, here you got a 338, whereas Chrome, you do have a 362. Definitely there is a difference. Why this difference is because the person who has written the software for the search engines will have a different algorithms which will grab the database from the www, that's a World Wide Web, and they do have a different type of linkages to grab the words. That's why there is a difference in the results. That's why we say they are not consistent. Whenever there is no consistency is there in the search results, that makes your work, whatever the research work on the literature, will be in a trouble, because you could not say no, I have done the search in the Google Chrome and somebody might have done in the Microsoft Edge. Then there is a difference. You cannot say, because you need to do a different searches. Okay, then I'm going to take you through the Mozilla Firefox. This is one of the interface or application. So how you are going to get the results. So this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to search for the queries once again. So you do have a 338 here once again. Okay, 338. Okay, I'm taking you through in 0.61 seconds. 362 in a Chrome. Okay, and how about the Edge? You can see about the Edge 338. So all are different. Okay, all are different. This difference is because of the grabbing of the data from different databases. Okay, so I have shown you 3 search engines. Now coming back to my presentation. So in the presentation, I have given you people various search engines in the beginning. So I'll give you the links of search engines so that you can start searching what you want. Okay. So already you know Google Scholar. I need not give, but it is my duty. I'm going to give you in the chat box. First is a Google Scholar. I'm putting in the chat box so that you people can go through the chat box and just click on the database. Then you'll have understanding how they will differ. So this is a first search engine. Then coming to second search engine, Microsoft Academic. So this is a Microsoft Academic Home. Then third search engine, worldscience.org. I hope all links are working and all of you people are doing, because it's a hands-on workshop. It's only not to just listen and see, go away. Until unless you do, it is not possible to understand. It requires some time and inquisitiveness to see and learn. Because every day when I started learning way back, just yesterday I was telling to my project assistant, the Mendeley, I am a Mendeley mentor since 10 years. So Mendeley was having only one link up. Now we do have a Mendeley linkups and Jotro linkups for 3 to 4 search engines. That's how they are also evolving, because many of the different geographical location, so they do use a different search engines. Okay, that's why they have come up with those links also. So I have given you the science.gov. The next is a reference seek. So I am giving you the reference seek. If anybody is having any query during performing the search, you please let me know so that I can able to rectify from my end. I hope I am clear with my voice and my presentations. They are visible and it's audible. I am not a teacher for you people. Okay, it's a very friendly session because whenever you do the mentoring, okay, it's not like I am much knowledgeable. It's all comes with some experience. Okay, then comes eric.gov. And it's every day the learning phase, including me. Every day I learn few new things because whenever somebody questions me, then if I don't know something, then I have to tell them I'll get back to you. So that's how we learn the things. And this is a virtual learning center what already I have put for you people. Then next is see, this is a very voracious because virtual learning resource center you do get lot of data and even you will get time. See, today morning around morning 5 o'clock I have searched through some articles. Early morning 4:53. Okay, so it gives you the time also. So that's the beauty of the website. You won't get the same in a Google Scholar. Then you do have a one more base. Base is also very much voracious, and it's really I like this. I was also not knowing for few years during my PhD. Otherwise, I would have done in a better fashion the search. Okay, so we do have some limitations as a Indians because majority of the institutions will never subscribe to lot of kernel and journal database. But universities may have some databases which will give you the access for like a EBSCO, it may be Science Direct. So those are the things you may get. Okay. Then last is a Semantic Scholar. So I am also going to do along with you people. Okay. Already I have shown you how to do the search. Now I am going to search through the academic Microsoft. Okay. So my search engine is a Microsoft Edge. I hope you are able to see the search engine. Okay. Now whatever you want you type. Okay. It may be a typo. I want to take different words now for prosthodontics. So I'll take as a removable prosthodontics. Removable prosthodontics. Okay. Even if you do some spelling mistakes also, there will be a trouble. Okay. I have put as a removable prosthodontics. Just I want to search what it comes. We'll see. So we do have within 1 second 573. Okay, we do have a 49,499 results, and it has got a filters. You do have a filters. So from 1855 to 2021, the results are there. Okay, so you do have a topics in engineering, material science, computer science, mechanical engineering, computer hardware, structural engineering. So all you do have a okay removable prosthodontics. Now the limitation has come to only 4,165. 4,165 from 1895 to 2021. Okay, so this is all about the dentistry. If I want to restrict only to the journal publications, because these we call it as a restrictions. Okay, I want to restrict to only journal publications. This beauty is there with only few search engines, not with everything. Okay, so now we got only 2,880 results. We got only 2,880 results. Okay. And now, if I want to do some more refining, for example, imagine your guide has said, no, I want only journal of prosthodontics. You need not bother, just you type a journal of prosthodontics. So you get articles from journal of prosthodontics in a removable prosthodontics. So you got now 490 results. Okay, so this precision is only possible because of the artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. Imagine if this would have been not there. As a guide, if I say you people, you go and get all the removable prosthodontic articles, then what would have been happened? Probably you should have gone through so many journals, catalog, and going overnight to the library, 24 hours library, then you keep searching. Then it would have been very difficult because either you have to go through the index or bibliography. Wherever you find a word bibliography in the removable partial denture, then you would have got. It is not possible. So your guide says, no, I don't want from 1951. See, automatically the date also has changed. Removable prosthodontics we could have in 1800s. Now it has come to 1950 to 21. Okay. Now I want only the results from last 1 year or 2 year. Okay. Imagine if I want only in 2021. If I click only 120 or 21, what we get the results? See, only 2021. We do have only 17 results. We do have only results. That is the 17 articles which have been published in the year 2021. Okay, this is how you can do the refining of your search. I hope I am clear with you people regarding the how to do search in various search engines with various what you can say filters. Okay, now if I want to go ahead with only the few universities, no, I don't want anything. This is a topmost university. I want only from University of Washington. Okay. So only one article has been published by University of Washington in 2021. So that refining can be done in the Microsoft Academia. And okay, so this is all about the Microsoft Academic. Okay. Apart from this, whatever this is sorting is there here. This is also important. When you are going to sort, you can sort by silency, newest first, oldest first, and most citations. Okay. Now what I'll do, just I'll clear all. I'm going to clear all the filters I have cleared. Once again, you have reached to the 49449. That's the total results. Now I want to go ahead with the sorting. Okay. I want to go ahead with the newest first, which is recently published. Okay. This is a 2021 article recently published. Okay. This is on, see, now you are able to understand why we have to go for a specific particular research, because removable sets in elliptic equations. This is a totally different article. It has been taken only removable. The word has been taken removable. So which is not related to the dentistry at all. That's why what I do, I'm going to quote it. I'm going to quote it. Okay. When I quote it, okay, my results will be refined. See, when I quote it, you could not find any results at all. Okay. So that time what you have to do, instead of quoting, just I want to go for removable prosto and I want to give a asterisk or a truncation. This is for truncation. Okay. When you do truncation, certainly you got once again the results which are different from the previous one. Okay. So these things are very important, and you do have a views. Views are there. Now we are into, I have not signed in basically. If I sign in, then we can have a different views. Okay. And here the Microsoft Academic will also give the citations. How many times this particular article has been cited by. Okay. So this is how you can go through and search. And already I have opened a Google Scholar. Probably I have opened a Google Scholar. I'll show you the Google Scholar, how it is going to give you the results in the Google Chrome. Okay. I'm going to open the Google Scholar. Google Scholar. Okay, when I'm going to open the Google Scholar, I'm going to view the same removable prosthodontics. Okay. Searching term. Then you got 32,000 results only here. What you have seen in a Microsoft Academics and what you are going to see in a Google Scholar is totally different. Both the results are different. Okay. Then certainly you are going to miss something. You're going to miss something from the Microsoft Academics because it is having the more database. That's why it has taken more. Okay. Probably it may be useful, it may not be useful. But you need to understand how it is going to differ. If you won't understand how it differs, then you'll have a trouble in understanding the databases and understanding the search engines. So with this, I'll stop once again for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, you keep doing with all the databases, then I'll get back to you. Thank you everybody. Once again, welcome back. I hope everybody has gone through. So we did the Microsoft Academic, and now I'm going to take you through the worldscience.org. So this is how the website looks. Okay. You can see there are some options. It's a really beautiful when you look after various options. See, you can just zoom in. Okay. So if I click, then automatically it gives the Russian Union, whatever the literature is there. Okay. And if I click on China, it gives about the China. Then if I click on India, then you do have a Indian agencies databases. Okay. And if you click on Australia, then it gives the Australia database. So this is the beauty of the worldwidescience.org search engine. If I click on Greenland, so there are no participating database portals in the Greenland. And if I click on a Canada, so Canada will have a 4 participating agency for the database deposition. Then United States, if I click, then here, United States, you have these many databases which are participating for the archivals. Then if you click on Africa and Brazil, so Brazil has one scientific, that is a CLO, that is a Brazil database. Then when you click on Argentina, it has got once again the same. Then you have Peru, Peru is also same. Then Colombia is also same. They do have the same. Okay. Then if I click on African parts, okay, Sudan, there is an African Journal Online is there. Ethiopia, yes, Ethiopia is also there. Then Malvia is there. Okay. Then South Africa, there are 2 repositories are there. Then Algeria is there. Okay. Then whatever you click, so it gives you the area which are participating. See, wherever the color, gray color is there completely, that is a participating country, and non-participating countries are there. There are few like Kazakhstan, no participating, Mongolia not participating, Iran is not participating, Afghanistan is not participating. So you do get a lot of data. Okay. For example, if I want to go and search, so you take a classic term once again, queries. Okay. I'm not doing a advanced search. I'm doing a simple search. This is called a simple search. So just I have clicked down queries. We got almost 4,515 top results. Okay. Now you compare to the previous, like a Microsoft and Google Scholar, here the results are different. Okay. Here the results are different because here you do have a various options. Either you can save to the folder My Library, you can delete, and even you can print, and even you can email from here only directly. Okay. So these are the things which will contain from various websites. Okay. These are papers, 3,943 journal papers, and you do have multimedia videos, audio files, and there are around 380 softwares, and you do have 430 public access. Okay. This whole collection, it depends on the rank. Okay. If you go ahead with the date, when you change it as a date, automatically it once again changes. Okay. So these are the few things which you need to understand. Until unless you do on your own, it's very difficult for you to go ahead. See, this has been grabbed from various websites. The Google Scholar and PubMed will not grab the websites. Okay. So they do have a different algorithm. Okay. So here they are all websites which has been grabbed. Okay. The data has been grabbed by various websites. Okay. So these you need to keep in mind. When you go to the advanced search, see, now I am going to the advanced search. When I go to the advanced search, you do have a different tab. Okay. So all these search criteria will apply for PubMed and Scopus also, because they do have the similar search engines and they do have the similar words. Okay. Example, full record. I want to see in full record. Okay. In full record means the whole article. Otherwise, if I want to see in a title only, so I have written once again queries. Okay, I have not used anything. Here the date range is there. I have written 2000 to 2010. 2010. Okay. Then limit to available full text. I am giving a limit to available full text, and I am giving only English. Okay. And I am putting as a search. So how many results come? So we do got only 229. Still it is coming. Okay. We got totally 1,149 results. Okay. So this is how you can do advanced search. Either you can use the, see, in the search term automatically it comes. Title is a queries. We are extracting the queries from the title from year 2000 to 2010. Okay. So this is how you can do in the World Wide Web. Then it is also giving you the refine. Either you can refine by topics, you can refine by authors, you can refine by publications, you can refine by countries, you can refine by language. These all options will not be available in other search engines. The search engines are particularly designed for their need. They require, they have done the need. Okay. Then coming to science.gov. Next is the science.gov. This is a gateway for federal events. So once again, I am writing here queries. Okay. So how you will get the result? Let us see. We are getting the science.gov search results. So we do have your total search of 669 only. Okay. So now you are able to appreciate how the different search engines will give you the different searches. I hope I am very clear with you. So now the remaining searches, for example, reference seek is there because now we are coming to the end of the presentation and hands-on. So you're supposed to do the same thing at home because already I have put in a chat box. And reference seek I am giving once again. See, this is a reference seek. All results. Just I am giving you the documents. Automatically it is giving 49 lakhs 20,000. Okay, within 33 seconds. One more is eric.gov. So I'm putting once again the same thing like a queries. Just I want to make sure that it is a uniform results. Okay. How and why they will differ. Okay. So here in 2021 0 results. Since 2020 there are 2 results. And then there is a description. Then there is a source and peer reviewed only. If you don't want anything else, then you can click a peer reviewed only. Okay. So those people who want to go to abroad, definitely you're supposed to see the database of that particular country, because that is very important, because any interviewer, he wants the doctor should know his country database, either epidemiology or it may treatment aspect or it may be pharmacology. All those things will be looked after by that particular country. That's how they will see how well you are. Okay. Then next comes a virtual. Okay, so this is now we have opened up, which I opened in the early morning. Okay, now once again I'm going to give a queries here. Queries. We got a results once again. It is almost 29 lakh 50,000 results. Okay, so in this you do have a references, biography, music. This is a voracious. Okay, this is meant for all the database. Okay, so you do get lot of databases which is going to grab different websites. Okay, if I click health and medicine, the results will change. It has come to 1,54,000 only. Okay, if I quote it on only literature quotes, then once again it will change. It will come to only 6. Okay, if I come for news and opinion, once again it will change, because wherever there is a news and opinion about queries, that one only it shows. And if you go to the primary source, you got 3 results once again. Okay, so like that it keeps changing. Then the next is base. The base is also very voracious. Definitely one should use all the databases, those people who want to do the literature synthesis. Okay, and now I'm putting the queries word, same word. Again here we got 1,46,780 hits. Okay, among these, so you do have a lot. Okay, here entire document has been selected. Instead of entire document, I select as a title. Okay, then once again I search. So Professor Pragati has asked me what is a text. Okay, this is something like what she asked verbatim. Okay, this is a verbatim search. When I'm going to put, certainly 36,997 are the results. So which will contain the document type, year, and where it is been archived. Okay, so like that this gives. This is a base data. Okay, if I don't want like this, then I have to quote it. If you make a quote, then do you think it is going to change? Probably yes or no. Then you will understand when you are going to do the search. Okay. Yes, the result has been changed. Okay, because that gives you the specific word in the title. Specific word in the title, then it has changed the results. Then coming to the last one. Okay, the last database, which search engine, which I have given you people, the queries. So see, already I have put a queries. Okay, in the morning when I have put it is still saying, so it is totally 1,26,000. Okay, you do have a very beautiful articles here. Okay, and languages, they have quoted language. If I put a English language restriction, then automatically the results will come down to 14,000 only. Okay, so this is by relevance. If I give the same by recency, recency means which are published very recently, then the order of the articles will change. Okay, order of the articles will change. So this is all about today's program. So now the question answer session begins 4 to 4:30. So I welcome you for the question answer session.